Howdy folks, today I've got a new kind of syrup I had never tried before, although I have seen it done around a little bit. It's basically made from garbage. You gotta love that. Banana syrup. So banana syrup, you say, bananas aren't garbage. Obviously, I love bananas. Everyone loves bananas. Bananas are a very popular fruit. But every day I'm throwing away a banana peel, and I heard somewhere that you could just macerate your banana peel in sugar, so just cover your banana peels with sugar, wait a couple days, and it'll just turn into a delicious banana flavored sugar syrup, and that's exactly what I did. Now I saw this done with a mango over on a channel I just found out about, the Wee Pearl. I'll leave a link to that because those videos are amazing. Anyway, I did it with bananas. Procedure is very simple. Take your banana peels when you're done with them, throw them into any kind of container, cover with an amount of sugar. It doesn't really matter how much sugar. The more syrup you want, the more sugar you use. But you just basically want to cover the banana peels so that lots of sugar gets a chance to get infused with the banana. I waited a couple of days and it turned out great. Now, one tip I will say, I realized that what I should do is cut up the banana peels because they'll, sit flatter in the container I had and easier access to the sugar. So you can just cut up your banana peels. That works great. And once your sugar is completely dissolved and it tastes like bananas, just strain it out and you're good to go, and here it is. I didn't make very much. This is 2 banana peels. I just did cover it with sugar. I've already tried a few drinks with this. This is maybe, I don't know, a few ounces. But I'm sure it'll scale up if you had more bananas going on in your house. So for a drink, I was thinking back to that time I made banana infused Jameson, and I thought banana and Jamesons go great together. Maybe I'll just make an Irish whiskey old fashioned with banana syrup. So I just took 2 ounces of this Irish whiskey I have, Writer's Tears. I put in a 1/4 ounce of banana syrup. I tried this a couple times and I realized that a 1/4 ounce was not enough, but a 1/2 ounce was too much. So I'm doing like a fat quarter, or like 3/8 of an ounce of banana syrup. That's great. I wanted to spice it up a little. I put in some Angostura, but I also put in some of these Scrappy chocolate bitters that I have. Now these Scrappy chocolate bitters are good, but they're not that bitter, They taste a lot like chocolate. Like you want to get a little chocolate flavor in something, you can put those in, but they aren't that good at bittering. That's another reason to put in the Angostura, just to at least give it a little bit of a bitter shot. Now here's another thing I wanted to mention. I've been thinking lately I need to up my garnish game a little bit. It's sort of an afterthought for me about what kind of a garnish I should do. Often it's just like an orange peel or something like that. But I thought, what can I do? I was thinking what else would go with banana. Like if I had banana bread with chocolate chips, I might have walnuts in it. We had some walnuts, so I ground them up in the blender and I sifted out some of the dust. Once I had the dust sifted, I figured I could rim the edge of the glass with walnut dust. As a little added bonus, I dropped a little salt on top as well. So now we have like a salty walnut rim for our glass. If you see what I'm doing here with the lime, this is something I saw Southern Teague do. You can set up a little lime rimming station. If you cut your lime like this, and you can keep rimming 100 glasses that way, if you're doing for a crowd. I'm only making the one. Anyway, stir it up. Strain it into your glass with your star-shaped ice cylinder. Give it a stamp. And here we go. Check it out. This is pretty fun. So let me just give this a try real quick. I mean, that is delightful. That goes down so easy. Banana and Irish go well together. you just have to sort of gauge how much banana you want to put in. I want it to taste the banana, but not too much. And this has just got like a hint of banana, sort of emphasizing those banana notes in the whiskey. You get a little bit of a chocolate and a little bit of a spice. I think if I had like a cast strength Irish, I might use that just to bump it up a little. I think I might just try it where the rim is here. Yeah. A little salty, a little nutty, extra nutty saltiness is a nice kick. And by the way, with these ground up walnuts, I'm gonna make some walnut orgeat. Stay tuned, I'll talk about that in a future video. The next thing I was thinking might be cool is just to squeeze this lime into it. I'm wondering what a little lime would do, just for fun. I mean, that's fun. A little lime, a little salt, a little nuttiness, a little banana fruitiness. It's got like all these things going on. I'm pretty into that. Bananas are my favorite thing. Banana syrup, I can't believe I haven't done this before. But I might try and think up some more stuff to do with this banana syrup. Let me know in the comments what you would do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.